Wow, ang galing! Ganun pala yun. Wow! Alam mo na maganda yung hakaw kapag manipis na manipis yung balot niya. Can I try this one? Okay, okay. Roll it. More! Yan. Okay, okay, okay. Oh no! Wait. Ta! Okay, okay. Ang pangit. Alright. Ito yung filling na gagamitin. Oh, okay. Ay, ang galing. One by one. Wow! Napakagaling. Hindi ko kayang gawin to. It's not easy. Okay. I put shrimp. Kailangan saktong-sakto lang yung nilalagay kasi titimbangin nila ito pagkatapos. Hop! Like that. Diyos ko, Lord. Hindi ko talent to, Lord. Oh my gosh. Ang pangit! Ano ba to? It's not good. Not good.